Whoa. Okay, so there's quite a bunch of pumps running. Alright. Huge ass water body. There are quite a bunch of bird watching spots around. Let me see if I can find a few. Also, let me show you where I am. So this is where I am. You see this water body? This is huge. And this is where we came from. And that's the reason why we see that water body again and again, I guess. You see this? Huge ass water body. And here, if I search for bird, let's say birding, yeah, see that? Quite a good bunch of bird watching locations, I suppose. There's one here. I'm not sure if I can, or if I should do that. हाँ? क्या समझ नहीं आया?
किधर से आए हो?
पुणे से।
पुणे में किधर?
कराड़ी। Alright. क्या हुआ?
किधर जा रहे हो?
हैदराबाद। Shitty. Okay. बाइक का 3 लाख। लोकेशन Alright, thank God. Okay, how do I get down? For fuck's sake. So that's my cycle, all packed and stowed away, and I'm not sure if it is hurting my top box in any way. I don't think it is. Maybe it is. Go on, let me do one thing. Let me take a piece of this cardboard. And put it here. Oh yes, I think it's all right now. Coolio. So the spokes, the only place where the spoke is touching. Okay, so this is free. Okay, not bad. I can use one more small piece. Put it here. Fuck. Amazing view. I love it. I love it. The only feature of camera that works. Slow motion. Bloody hell, look at that. Okay, so let me talk about the setup quickly. We have 5 bungee cords. This one is holding the tire. There are a couple of black bungee cords holding the frame of the cycle, and this is the handle of the cycle, which is removed from its frame and separately packed away. This is the back side's frame of the cycle, and there's a Vitera bag on which the body is resting. And this is the courtesy V Gears bungee cable, which is pretty utilitarian. You can't get better than that. Thank you, V Gears. Big shout out to V Gears for handing me over that bungee and helping me out with stuff. Pawan is a sweet guy. Look at that bird. Bird. What bird is that? Oh, here's an uncle fishing already. Quite a good bunch of birds over there in that tree, isn't it? Yeah. Alright. What else? I think that's it. So I'm gonna change my visor, put some music on, and get back to you guys in a bit. Alright. This is one sweet little machine.